Welcome back, kids, to another installment update episode, what the hell you want to call it. Seagulls Mazda 323. And as you can see from what's behind me in the background, they're multiplying in the big gully garage. B62Es, big sexies all everywhere. Alright, so we're working on the spare engine. We're essentially going to turn it into a track engine or a bit more of a spicy engine. So I'm going to be pulling off the fly. Well, I'm not pulling it off, I'm supervising. I'm going to be telling Seagull to pull that thing off. He gets on the tools, he pulls off the flywheel tonight. He also pulls off the head tonight and starts stripping that down so it can be sent away for a little bit of wizardry at a local engineering workshop. I will disclose that information when it comes back, when I'm happy with it. But in the meantime, I do have other parts to go into this engine, and the help I have been getting here in Australia has been from this guy. Call Danny if you're building this car. He will steer you in the right direction. He knows what he's talking about, and I guess if you sort of say you've spoken to Seagull, he will know exactly what you're talking about. Alright, so I will walk you through what we're going to be doing on this car, and Seagull's going to do it, but it's going to be in stages, so you can sort of see. If you do have any questions, holler, comments, contact me. I'm more than happy to help out. More detailed instructions if you need help, but this is more of a just sort of a how-to and a bit of a quick video of what I'm doing anyway. That head has to come off and fully stripped down. I've got some parts already from Total Engines that is ready for the refurb. I will be ordering some more, so Danny, be ready. Alrighty, so let's just have a look in here. It's looking pretty tidy for what it is. That camshaft especially, I'm very excited about having that. And I will probably stick with maybe a sport regrind option, and then have another chat to Total Engines about the correct pistons and rings and all the correct lift height and all that sort of jazz that needs to happen with this. So I'm going to crack on, and I hope you enjoy watching this, because we're going to do the block after the head. So yeah, fun times. Alright, so that's the head off. Probably never changed the oil, and it is horrible. I will clean all of this up and make it look brand new. That's the fun part. Oh my god, wait till you see this. This is going to be awesome. Oh yeah, they looking pretty burnt out. So I'll clean it all up. It won't look like this by the time I'm finished with it, that's for sure. Alright, I'll punch out all of those exhaust and intake valves tomorrow, and start getting everything cleaned up. And there it is, the holy grail for all B62E 1.6 litre 16 valve engine owners, the camshaft.